YouTube? It's Des, and I'm back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. So today I'm in my store. If you guys can see, I've been putting in my fall items. So that's what we're doing right now. So let's get it.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. From a low breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Okay, hey guys, so I just left work and I'm actually headed to pick up some food for this mukbang I'm about to do for y'all. And I will be trying the Taylor Port wine. I've been wanting to try it for a minute. I heard so much great things about it. If you guys know, you know I love me some wine. I'm a wino, and I really like red wines. They have like 4 different kinds, and I was reading the notes, but the one that I chose was like, I guess, the regular base one. I think that was the one that interests me the most. If I really like this one, I'm going to go back and try some more. But the alcohol percentage is like really high, and they say you only need a little bit, you be good, and it's smooth. So I'm going to try that. So I ordered everybody food, but my order, I got some fried mushrooms, which I'm really excited and a little nervous to try. I love mushrooms, but I've never eaten fried mushrooms, and I'm not sure how they cook them. I forgot to ask, so I'm just hoping that they don't cook it, fish grease, because I will definitely have an itchy throat. I won't die, but I will definitely be bothered probably for the rest of the night. My asthma gonna start bothering me all day. I'm gonna go eat one. I'm just gonna see how I feel like after eating that one. I am gonna ask them when I go pick it up though. Then I got me some potatoes, broccoli, and eggs. Mild, so it's gonna be kind of hot. No, I did medium this time. It's like a medium everything kind of seasoning. Then I got the girls like broccoli, corn, potatoes, eggs. But I just got theirs like plain for them to share. My husband was cooking him some spaghetti. Jael is probably gonna eat with him, so I only got them a little bit of stuff. Cause he put meat in there. Y'all know I don't eat the meat, so he's doing ground turkey spaghetti. So I think they just gonna eat that together. But I still got enough for her and Bunny to share, like a bag. So yeah, I'm about to go pick that up from Crazy Crab, and I'll see you guys when I get back home. Okay guys, so I was ready to do a whole mukbang, but I came back home and everybody was still eating at the table when I got here. Why, I don't know. So it was just not gonna work. Like trying to set it up, it was loud. It was just a lot going on. Y'all know how it be. But now that I got everybody out through my way, I did eat and it was really good. But I'm about to get ready to try this Taylor port. Oh, I wasn't able to get the mushrooms because when I got there, they said that they cook it with everything, fish, everything. Y'all, I'm allergic, so I couldn't get the fried mushrooms. But I want to try to see if I can find a recipe where I can try to make them sometime this week. So be looking for that because I'm going to definitely do a video on it. But anyway, anywho, and my husband want me to make him those Rotel rolls again. So I'm going to make that this week. And I think I may try the mushroom for me this week as well. So I'll just do that all together. I did do an Instagram video on it. So I may do a reel on here on my channel. So just check it out. It'll be somewhere around on there. Anyway, so let's go ahead and try this. It smells like really fruity. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Hold on. It definitely has like a grape taste to it, which I cannot stand. I don't like anything grape. I can taste that in it. I'm going to read the bottle so I can get the notes on it. I put it in the refrigerator. But let me see. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. Right there. And it says a rich, fruity taste and smooth finish make ruby red Taylor port the perfect choice to pair with your favorite dessert. Okay, that's what I was reading like that because it's going across. So it really doesn't tell. It just says. Let me see what it says. It's in here. And it is 18%, which is kind of high for a wine. Okay, here we go. A rich, moderately sweet ruby red port. Delicious with dessert or for evening sipping. Served over ice or at room temperature with a twist or with a soda. Okay. So, yeah. It is definitely giving sweet. I don't like the aftertaste of it. And I don't like the fact that I feel like it's giving a mixture of it. This needs to be, y'all don't mind my fingernail. That's a whole nother story, whole nother video. But anyway, I feel like it needs to be, but these are my nails. Cute. Anyway, and I got them cut down because they grew like out so fast since I first started getting them done again. But I feel like it's giving, like it needs to be in a shot, like more like a vodka than an actual wine, if that makes sense. It is smooth, but it's not like, okay, I got it. It tastes like Robitussin. If y'all know what Robitussin tastes like as a kid, that's what it's giving. It's giving Robitussin. It's not giving a smooth wine. It's not giving. It is smooth, but it's the aftertaste, and it tastes just like Robitussin cough medicine. Maybe if I drink it, and I did put ice in this before I drank it, and it kind of melted. Like I was trying to get them out of my way, clean up the kitchen a little bit before I turn on the video. But yeah, I think if I drink it like without ice, I think it'll taste a little better. So if I had to give this, and y'all know I'm a wino, so I know my wine. So if I had to give this, like rate it a 1 out of 10, I would say I give it about a 7 because it's doable. I know it's probably gonna get the job done. Definitely giving that, but like taste overall for me it's a no. So yeah, teleport is not gonna be my thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, guys, so it is one drink in, literally. And y'all, I'm lit off this one drink. And I am a lightweight. Don't get me wrong, I am a lightweight. But one drink of like any other wine I drink, like I'd be like, good. I'd be like, okay, I'm gonna have a little bit more. I'm never able. I'm gonna like wait to the point to where I'm never even able to finish my second glass of wine, but I can't even start another wine. Like, I am so lit, y'all. So, and all in all, I would definitely want to try some of the different flavors of it, but I don't think that I'm going to ever get this one again, because like I said, it tastes like Robitussin, and it's a no for me. But I am going to try some of the other ones, and I'm going to get back to y'all with that. So I'm going to change. I'm going to have to change it. I'm going to have to go up a little bit, and I'm going to say I'm going to give it 8 out of 10, because it definitely does the job, and I'm lit over here, y'all. I'm so lit. I was about to watch this documentary, Jeffrey Dahmer documentary, and then I was going to fall asleep to it, but I don't even need to watch that. Like, I'm just about to go to sleep in general. Okay, bye.